Morning, folks. Todd from Walnut Ridge again. It is Friday. I just wanted to touch base on LP leaks, detecting them. You may not know you have one. We did have a unit come in a couple weeks ago, a few years old, came in for a maintenance package. So in our maintenance package, we go through a lot of different things we check. One being we service all the appliances, the gas appliances that run off your propane. So we do a LP drop test using a manometer, measure the water column. So we detected a leak in this customer's unit. Ended up being a frayed flexible gas line that ran underneath his slide out. This could have been very dangerous, could have been really bad if luckily he brought it in for maintenance. But I just wanted, there is a, I get it, newer units, but you still, the connections here, and I'm going to show you, you can buy this stuff here. I mean, a lot of people other than technicians do not have a manometer to do an LP drop test, but you can buy this product here, spray it on the fittings. So any fitting, so here this is going up to your LP regulator. So you got your pigtails here that are threaded into the LP regulator. So you just spray this gas leak solution on your fittings. Within about 5 to 10 seconds, it will start bubbling, let you know if you have a leak. To get those fittings changed, you may have a bad regulator itself. Your main line coming in right here, I don't know if you can really see it. So this is a flexible main line running to regulator, the bottom of the regulator, so it runs underneath your coach. So you can spray that as well to check for leaks. So like I said, this stuff will, within about 5-10 seconds, it will start bubbling. Not a bad idea to, just check it yearly. Just ensure, your family going to be safe out camping. This customer had no idea that he had an LP leak. Luckily, like I said, he did bring it in for some maintenance, and that's just one of our things we do in our maintenance packages is service the appliances and then do a LP drop test, pressurize the whole system, and it'll let us know if we have any leaks anywhere. And like I said, if you do not have a manometer, I mean they're not really expensive, but this stuff here is about $5 or $6, and if then you just to be on the safe side, just spray your connections and check them. Inspect your LP hoses, your quick connect hoses here. Make sure you don't get any dry rotting or cracking on this flexible hose here. You would definitely, if it had a crack in it, was leaking, you would definitely smell that right off the bat once you turn your propane on. I'm gonna put this cover back on. Some units, a lot of these newer units are coming. I don't think this one has it. We're gonna walk back here to the back of the unit. No, this one does not, but a lot of units come with a secondary LP quick disconnects for like a portable grill, like plug in a grill. So that is tapped into your main propane line. So those fittings there as well, a lot of people will forget about them because they are actually tucked up behind the your metal here, your skirt metal. This one does not have one, or I would show you. But any RVers out there, you know what a LP quick disconnect for an outside grill to plug in, or if you have an outside kitchen that has a pull-out grill in the outdoor kitchen, just remember to check those as well, just to keep you and your family safe. I hope this helps. Have a great day.